so cool. Meron so. This is for me. I want to die. You want to burn me to death? So cool. I think this is for my feet. I don't know the name. Let me see. Wow. And then hila black. Oh, this is good. And then he will put here. Oh no. What? Oh. Wow. And then, oh, this is it, pansit. First try. We already soaked my feet with ginger boiling. Wow, cool. This is with fire. I don't know what is this. Is it the salt or what? Oh wow. It's good. Yes, very hot. See? You see this one?
Nasa may chocolate home.
What? Sufu, very good. Thank you. I said I feel good with this, but this is warm. It's a little hot, but it's good. It's like a salt. I don't know. Yeah. Let me see. I don't know what's this one. Okay. Special kind of massage. That's nice. Maybe my keyboard is to be removed. First time. That one, I don't like that one. The others like, but this is good. Better than the other one. Here's another kind of making, maybe feeling like in the beach or in the seashore, stepping on the sand. When I see them, what's this? This is good. I thought this is one. I thought this one. Okay. Oh, so some minutes. Oh, nice. Okay. What's this? Yeah. It's salt, you want? Yeah. So it's a salt. It's a sin, you know. This is good. And then you do the massage for me. Foot massage. I had my so wash now.